back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for March month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees. And they have longer subscriptions as well, like 3 months, 6 months and a yearly subscription. And let me tell you, I have a coupon code by which you can save 10%. The coupon code is Ritu10 and this code is valid on 3 months, 6 months and on yearly subscription. Now let's quickly open it and see what all it has. So this month's Fab Bag is really cute. So this is how the pouch looks like and this is the theme for this month and it says, I got this. So white color pouch, very cute, and quality of Fab Bag bags are really amazing. So yes, good quality pouch and of course very useful pouch, you can say. Now let me just take out the stuff and let's start with these cards. So first one is this renewal offer. Then I have this contest card. This says you just have to click the picture of your March Fab Bag and you have to tag it on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Then you can stand a chance to win a lipstick by Nilf, and this is the one. Now the last one is this is the info card, you can say, and it says the theme here, I got this. And now let's start with the first product. This month they don't have the makeup selection. This month they have 2 makeup product and 2 different products. So let's just quickly see what all it has. The first one and the star product this month is by Bodyography. This is a cream shadow. It's a glimmer and it's a full-size product. The price for this one is $14.75. Let me open it and show you. So it has this body shimmer and I think it's already open. Okay, so this is how it looks. And let me just show you this shimmer of this here on my hand. Wow, so you can just see the shine, the shimmer here. It's beautiful. I love it. $14.75 is the price for this one. And of course the star product in the box, you can just see the shimmer here. So really pretty. Rose gold is the color. Yes, rose gold is the color. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is by Nilf USA and this is a professional eyeliner. So this is how it looks. This is of course a full-size product and the color is blue. The price for this one is 225 rupees. Let me open it and show you. So this is how it looks. And here is the blue pencil. Let me just show you the blue color here. So really pretty blue shade. 225 is the price. And of course, a very useful product. I love colorful eye pencils, eyeliners for me. So yeah, super happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Nirvana and it's a purifying facial serum. It's again a full-size product and the price for this one is 13.99 rupees. And this is how it looks. This is the outer packing. Let me open this and show you the serum. So this is how it looks and it says the manufacture date is January 2020, best before 24 months from the manufacturing date, and it says it's 100% pure essential oil. 15 gram is the quantity and this says it's crafted naturally. So yes, looking forward for this one for sure. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Sentiments and this is a Multani Mitti lotion. This is ready to use face pack and yes, I have used it. It's a really nice face pack. It says it's 100% pure Multani Mitti. It has orange peel, haldi, licorice, kesar, rose water, and this one is paraben free. The quantity is 40 ml and the price for this one is 149 rupees. Now, the last product is a bonus product and in bonus product, I've got this. So I have used it. It's a 3-in-1 mask from Monster and this is how it looks. The price for this one is 250 rupees and it says this is a 3D hanging ear, face, neck mask. Plus it has essence also. So it will give you lightening, brightening, revitalizing, lifting, firming. Then it has vitamin C essence. So yes, lightening the spots. So yes, a really good mask. I've used it many times. So super happy with this one. The price is 250 for this one. It's a bonus product. So that's all what I've received in my Fab Bag for March month. And if you ask me, yes, overall I like it because the facial serum is nice. Then the body glimmer or shimmer, you can say, is nice. Of course, that's the star product. Then the kajal is very useful, blue color. Yes, I like it. Then the face pack is nice. Then the bonus product is nice. Then the pouch is really cute. So that's all about Fab Bag. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. Of course, the buying link plus the coupon code. So yes, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.